Well, I can't believe it. I did my best. Number 2 is done. Number 3 is done. This is number 1. And he left and came back. The trucks have been reworked already. Smooth, glides, wonderful. I changed the mount. I changed the mount to the chassis from the front truck and put a new connector bar on, and I had already modified his ash pan for the K5 truck. So he had a lot of the early developments that you guys did, but he had some other issues, wiring coming loose and such as that. But that's, I think we're ready. So we're sitting here. It should want to back up or go forward, I forget, but we'll see. Forward. 14 volts. No body. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 heavyweights. Now, here's where he was having troubles. Right about here, we go to neutral, and we got smoke coming out. We're waiting. Now we want to back up. Oh boy. Here I am showing off. There you go. Yeah. Okay, now do it again. Do it again, because it was a good test. There, that's what we wanted to see. How long does that take? Engine number 1. Oh boy, it's a runner, it's a puller, it's a motor scooter. He's got a headlight. Number 3 had a headlight, but the wire came off. And it's all buttoned up. I don't want to take it apart. Okay, now the K5 truck and the tender are in beautiful synchronization. Just weaving through that. La la la, no gripes. I solved his problem first and knew what it needed. On the trucks anyway. And what I just did now was move the connector to the chassis from the front truck to give the front truck more freedom. So his will work even nicer now. Oh my God, number 3. It's like you're watching the same engine, but you're not. This is a number 1 engine. This engine was started almost 9 months ago. This owner was having some heavy-duty surgery done, and I was trying to get it back to him sooner, and I got it back to him a little too soon. But he recovered. He's doing fine, and he loved his train. He wanted me to fix it, so I did. I'm telling you, I'm super pleased. I knew this one was a runner. I just didn't know what was wrong. Oh boy, these are neat. I'm going to come down here and I'm going to watch it go away and then come back the other way. See it snaking through? Nice and smooth. Way back there, way back there. He's coming in the tunnel. Here he comes. He's coming down the long back straight. Whoosh. Oh my, I'm staying over. I better go. I'm going to lose my dessert if I don't get going here. She is just going to be all over me, and I don't mean nice. Oh boy, this is so fun to play with a train that's really working and tuned up right and all. There you go, Joe. Just got back from the rodeo. Hell, the cowboys are loaded up. And cattle cars are over there waiting for a K5 to pull them out. Okay, that's it. That's number 1. So, number 1, number 2, number 3, gone. Done. Ready. Let's go. Ah, Bailey's. Hey!